Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. It's Geek Girl here, right here, over here, right here. But anyway, today we're going to be making some vegetable lo mein. Quick, simple, it's kind of I like to say a one pot meal. That's all, well, we're going to be boiling some noodles, so you can call it one and a half, all right? Let's get started. All right, today this recipe is going to call for these are the vegetables. I'm going to be using carrots. This is cabbage. You can use bok choy if you choose to, but I'm not going to use bok choy. I'm going to use cabbage. This is red green pepper, onion, and this is scallion. Green onions, tomato. And I'm also going to be using some garlic, and this is ginger. All right. Let me move that away. Now, I said we're going to be making lo mein. But the problem is I could not find lo mein noodles. So we're going to use the chow mein noodles. A noodle is a noodle. We're going to be using sesame oil, oyster sauce. This is garlic hoisin sauce. And I'm using it because it's garlic sauce in it. Soy sauce and cornstarch. All right, so the first thing that we need to do, I have the water boiling for my noodles, by the way. The first thing I'm going to do is make the sauce. All right, I neglected to tell you that I'm going to be using some chicken. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to be using half a cup of chicken stock. All right, we put that in there. Now, I've never measured for this recipe before, but I'm going to try and do measurements. We're going to see how this works. And remember, if the measurement is off, I'm going to let you know now. Well, I'm going to let you know right here in this video. We're going to start with tablespoons. All right, we're going to start with a tablespoon of soy sauce. The whole thing. Remember, you could always add, but you cannot take away. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to do a tablespoon of oyster sauce. All right, now I'm going for the half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. This could be very strong and we don't want to overwhelm it with this. So that's half of a teaspoon. All right, we probably put more. We'll see. We have to see how it turns out. Okay, we're gonna put a teaspoon of Hushin garlic Hushin sauce. That's what we want to call it. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go. Hold on one second. We're gonna put. All right. Oof, the spoons are already used, so I'm going in. This is a half of a teaspoon. I'm sorry, a half of a teaspoon. So I'm gonna use 2. This is cornstarch. All right. I'm gonna use. It's gonna turn out to be half a tablespoon. All right, I don't know if I worded that right, but y'all get the gist of it. All right, so Now, the cornstarch is going to thicken this out once it hits the fire. All right, so you don't have to OD on that. It look thin, but it's not going to stay thin. All right, so that sauce is done. I'll be right back. All right, so the water has been boiling. I'm just going to put the noodles in. I'm going to use all the noodles. We're going to make the noodles before we do the vegetables. All right, we're going to let that cook and we'll be back. All right, so the noodles are done. I'm going to do the vegetables now. Sorry, I'm walking around. I'm going to do the vegetables now. I wouldn't advise you to do your vegetables in the sesame oil, because it'll burn. All right, so I don't have a wok. It's the closest thing I have to a wok. I'm gonna make it work though. The pan have to be really hot, extremely hot. Alright, so gotta wait till it's extremely hot. Remember, if you had a wok, it would be like extremely hot. But it'd be hot by now. But I don't have a wok, so I gotta wait. Alright, I'll come back when it's extremely hot. Alright, so we're gonna start with the garlic and the ginger. We're gonna give it a few, let it release some of those flavors. And you don't want it to burn. So I don't think you should really cut your garlic down too small, because the garlic will burn. So that's good enough. I'm gonna go in with the rest of the vegetables. I'm not gonna put all the green onions in just yet. I'm gonna hold a few to the side. You want it on a hot fire, because remember, cabbage turns to water. And we don't want that. We want this thing to fry. Put a little salt in it. I'm going to put some black pepper. I'm going to put some MSG, because that's what I like. Now, you let your vegetables cook as long as you like. If you like them crunchy, then that's how you cook them. You see, it's cooking already. You see how, I don't know if you could tell on the camera that the vegetables got smaller. The noodles is in the strainer, drying off, straining. We want them dry. Alright, so I'm going to let them fry down some more, and I'll be back when it's time to put the noodles in. Alright, so the vegetables is how I want them. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the noodles in. Ooh, a little hot there. Shake them around. Just loosen them up. I'm making a mess over here, but getting the job done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn down the fire because it's on high. And I'm going to put the sauce in. Now remember, the measurements could be off. We're going to see. It should thicken up because of the cornstarch. Smells good. And we're gonna see if the measurements of the sauces is good. You want to get the sauce on all the noodles. All right, I want to go in for a little taste. That is delicious. So what I'm gonna do, that's good. I just want a little more sauce in mine. So I'm gonna make more sauce, more sauce. Delicious. Wow. I'll be right back. All right, so I made a little more sauce, and I'm gonna, this thing is good. I like saucy food. Oh yes, put all that in here. Oh yeah. Flavor is delicious. Ooh, this is actually done. So I'm just gonna put these onions in here because that's how I want to do it. You could do it a different way if that's what you like. Oh, shoot. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fire off. Just let it continue to do what it do. Because one thing you don't want is no mushy noodle. Oh, there we go. Vegetable lo mein. I'm gonna plate this up and I'll be back. All right, people, check it out. Vegetable lo mein. Oh, let's see. Well, mm. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Oh shit. Oh shoot. All right. This is so freaking good. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Hold up. Just hold everything. This thing tastes so good. This was so easy to make. I'm telling you, if you follow this recipe step by step, you will not regret it. I promise. So good. Mm. 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 All right. I have to say, if you like this video, even if you don't like this video and you said, let me give her another try, hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the like. Hit the share. Comment below. If it's anything I could have been doing different to enhance this, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. My mouth's so full I can't even say suggestions. But anyway, join me here again this week where I'm going to make some egg foo young. You can't tell me nothing. I'm on to something. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.